move your body for 12 minutes and 30 seconds to a flat band workout featuring functional compound movements for strength, cardio, core stability. Moving your body in this way allows for a shorter, effective workout. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to watch my first and my second channel intro video so you can get the most benefit out of my workouts. I've also made a quick video on resistance bands, so you can use these safely and effectively. I highly recommend you watching that if you're not familiar with resistance bands. My workouts are full body fusion, meaning you're moving your upper and lower body together with compound movements for strength, core stability, and cardio because you're working multiple muscles. They're definitely customizable. You modify where you need to. Make it your workout. Listen to your body. Go at your level. Definitely. Challenge yourself where you can, as long as you can keep that proper form. With that said, please watch that video and practice those basics of proper form, especially if you're a beginner, before adding the resistance in. I also don't include warm-ups and cool-downs in most of my workouts, but I have a warm-up video, which I highly recommend you do before a workout, and a cool-down video, which I also recommend that you do. So this workout also includes hip bands or glute bands, booty bands, whatever you'd like to call them. These are optional, but I'm going to be using it because this is a hip glute challenge using the flat bands for upper body and lower body and the glutes to work the double time. Get some double time work in those glutes to protect our hips. So optional glute band. I will be using the large one for sure. And this is a 12-minute, 30-second workout. You'll be on for 35 seconds and off for 20, where I will explain the next movement. Rest longer if you need to. Pause the video, rest longer, or don't rest at all. We've got 7 moves. We will go straight through those 7 moves, and then we'll repeat them. And then at the end, I have a 1-minute bonus that I would love for you to stay for. Just 1 minute. That's it. So I am going to start with this large band, the more resistant one. So here's your first move. Line those knees up, always. Chest is up, shoulder blades together. Ready? This is a crab walk, squat walk with lat pulls. You go down, up, down, down, back, like that. And we are going to start the clock right now. Line those knees up. Ready? Shoulder blades together. 1, 2, 3. Try not to come up all the way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It's up when your feet come together. 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep those shoulders out of your ears. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next move. Okay. Alternating step outs. When you get into those glutes, keep it down. Rear delt flies, just like this. Keep it down. Come up if you need to. Good abduction. This is challenging. Get to the upper back now. Rear delts. Step it out. Step it out. Stay down if you can. Breathe. Keep those shoulders down out of your ears, out of your neck. Stay down. In that squat. 10 seconds. Okay. Oh, there we go. Chest press behind your back. We're going to step it up to the right or left. Chest press, just like this, side lunge. 1. Line those knees up. Ready? Go. Step out as far as you can, or just step out a little. Whatever works for you. As I always say. And 5 seconds. 4, Other side. Put your hands this way. So we're going to do chest flies. Step it out to the opposite direction. We're going to fly it out like this. Like that. Ready? It's not a press, it's a fly. Even if you're using the lightest resistance band, this is great cardio. You're still getting strength from your core work. Okay. Oops. Okay. Gotta go quick. Bicep curls. Reverse lunge. I'm gonna go back on my right foot first. Lunge it back. Up to a bicep curl. Ready? Those knees up. Keep those elbows in. Between your forearms. Whoa, balance. Okay, this next move, I'm gonna lighten lighter band for lateral raises. When you're raising your arms up, I always have to go lighter. So under your right foot or left, whatever you've been to, you're stepping back on the opposite foot like this. Oops, back, up, to lateral raise. You can do it. Chest is up. Line those knees up. Shoulder blades together. Lots of balance. Almost. Okay, next move. Standing abs. I love these. Flexion march. The flexors, double triceps. So it's like this. Getting into the hip flexors, working the glutes. Getting the glutes all around. When I say glutes, I mean hips. You gotta keep those protected with strong glute muscles. So now we're working our hip flexors. Double triceps. Extend it up and down. Keep your elbow in. Tighten the abs because you're standing abs. The abs. I'm sweating. This is definitely a good workout. Okay, we are going to repeat those. Squat walks, crab walks. Let's go a bit heavier. Line it up. Wait, coordination. Up, 1, 2, try to stay down a little, 3, up, 1, shoulder blades together with your shoulders down out of your neck. If you can't keep them down, then you need to lighten the resistance. Woo. I'm using a smaller hip band with you because this one's challenging me. Okay. Alternating step outs. Glute step outs with the rear delt flies. Ready? Stay down if you can. 3, 2, 1. Down. Give abduction. Really getting a lot of upper back here too. We're getting everything actually. Our core right now, which is our abs, lower back, hips, everything's working. I could definitely go lighter on this resistance. That's it. Okay. Chest press out to that side crunch. Ready? Okay. This other way. Line that knee up. Chest is up. You don't want to step it out. Just keep it stationary like this. That's okay too. Should have said that the first round. This is just bumping your cardio up, moving it. Okay. Other side. Hold it like this. Squeeze those shoulder blades together when you come up. Squeeze them. We work on. Keep those muscles strong. That keeps you upright. Chest is up. Shoulders back. That's what helps with that. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Whoa! Working our leg out here. Step it back, up to bicep curl. Ready. Whew. You're almost done. Then we have that bonus. Who said you can't get a good workout? Okay, other leg, lateral raises. Actually, this time we're going to the front, not lateral. Step it back. Back, front. Let's get the front of the shoulders. So loosen that up a little. Ready? Back. Right. That knee up. Almost. Okay, we got that flexion. Standing abs march. Double triceps. And that's it. We'll do our bonus for 1 minute. You can do it. Go. Upper arm stays put. Back those abs. Whew. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, One more. One. Okay, now it's time for that bonus. 1 minute. Bonus. We're doing a plank for 1 minute. Do the best you can do. If you have to drop to your knees, do it, but it's 1 minute. Alexa, set timer for 1 minute. Keep your butt down, your back nice and straight from your neck down to your spine. Just gonna hold it here. If you need to put your knees down, put them down. You can do it. If you really want to add some glutes in there, do some leg lifts. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, almost. It'll go quick. Hang in there. Come on. That's it. Alexa, off. Stretch it back. Alexa, off. Woo, you did it. That was a quick 12-minute and 30-second flat band workout. I would really appreciate a thumbs up for this workout. That would be great. And subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Share my channel with friends, family, on or off social media. Comments are definitely welcome. And be sure to download my workout log and my PDF that's all about the benefits, the reasons why we need to be moving our bodies with exercise. So I'm glad you joined me, and I look forward to having you join me in any of my Move Your Body workouts. So thank you very much, and you have a great day.